A man was tidying up his attic when he found his grandfather's old notebook in a dusty box. Inside, a simple line: plant one money tree every season, then water it for years. He laughed, closed the notebook, and kept living paycheck to paycheck. A decade later, that same man opened a small online shop, invested a little each month, and finally understood. Money grows slowly, then suddenly when you keep feeding it. When he realized this, he returned to the notebook, turned the page, and found 33 laws of money. He followed them all. His life changed in less than a year. That notebook became a map. Tonight, it becomes yours. And Law 17 is the one that changes everything. Let's start. These aren't motivational quotes. These aren't feel-good principles. These are the actual rules wealthy people follow, while everyone else guesses. Some will sound obvious until you realize you're not doing them. Some will sound harsh until you see the results. The person who applies even 10 of these laws will build more wealth than the person who knows all 33, but applies none. Knowledge without action is expensive entertainment. Action with these laws is wealth. Here's Law 1. Plant money trees, not money chores. Assets are trees that keep bearing fruit without you standing there all day. A rental room, an index fund, a small online store. These are saplings. They grow slowly, then surprise you. If you only trade hours for money, your garden dies the day you can't show up. Start planting now. Law 2. Spend with a line you never cross. Choose a monthly number under your income and guard it. When your paycheck grows, keep the line where it is and invest the difference. Your lifestyle will try to climb. Smile, say later, and buy assets instead. A calm budget is a steady ladder. Law 3. Treat money like a game that never ends. Even passive income needs maintenance. You can work less, automate services, and delegate tasks, but the scoreboard keeps moving. Competitors appear. Trends shift. Build a system you can run even when tired, then keep showing up. Winners keep playing longer than everyone else. Law 4. Money will not fix a hollow heart. A luxury car might lift your mood for 2 weeks, then feels normal. The insecurity stays, demanding a shinier toy. Build confidence with skills, fitness, friendships, and service. Buy nice things if you want them, not to impress strangers. When self-respect rises from inside, your purchases get smarter. Law 5. Keep your wealth quiet. Bragging invites takers, lawsuits, and false friends. Attention feels good for a minute. Privacy protects you for years. Let your bank account be loud only to you. Wear calm clothes, drive a reasonable car, smile and stack cash. While others shout, you build quietly. Law 6. Crises move money from the unprepared to the prepared. When fear spikes, prices fall, and quality assets go on sale. Study past crashes. Keep cash ready. Plan before panic arrives. You don't need to predict dates. You need courage and rules. Preparation beats luck when storms hit. But most people never prepare because they're too busy defending their goals from the wrong people. So wait a couple more minutes to realize one of the biggest mistakes most people are making without even realizing it. Law 7. Grow your income faster than your expenses. Rent rises, families grow, health needs appear. If income stays flat, pressure builds until investing stops. Make increasing income a yearly mission. Learn a marketable skill, request raises, or start a side business. When income outruns expenses, investing becomes automatic. Law 8. Start the compounding clock as early as possible. Small dollars invested regularly turn into heavy bricks with time. At first, you see almost nothing. Then the curve turns and everything speeds up. Make automatic contributions. Reinvest your gains. You can outpace bigger earners who started late. Begin now because tomorrow robs exponential growth. Law 9. When you find yourself in a hole, stop digging. Sell the toy you barely use. Cancel the project that bleeds cash. Don't defend past mistakes with new money. Sunk costs are traps. Cut losses fast and you save future months of stress. Pride is expensive. Humility is profitable. Law 10. Never buy what you don't understand. When a trend looks easy, Danger is near. People rush in, confuse luck with genius and get burned. Study the business model. Learn how it makes money. If you can't explain it to a child, you're gambling, not investing. Understanding cuts risk more than excitement will. Law 11. Cash shrinks quietly. Prices rise over years and your bills don't wait. Holding mountains of cash feels safe, but inflation nibbles every month. Keep an emergency fund, yes, then send the rest to productive assets. Buy what fights inflation, not what bows to it. Law 12. If you buy things you don't need, you'll sell things you do. Life swings, business slows. Without cash buffers, bills force desperate decisions. Keep essentials first and cut clutter. The happiest buyers are owners of assets that pay back. Fill your home with tools you use daily, not trophies for strangers. Law 13. Most people want average results, so they copy average behaviour. Wealth often hides in quiet corners. When everyone charges one way, look around carefully. Think independently. Test ideas. Decide by numbers, not noise. When the crowd panics, you stay calm. When the crowd boasts, you double-check assumptions. Law 14. Extraordinary results come from ordinary steps repeated. $10 a day into broad funds, one new skill every quarter, one service priced slightly higher because you improved it. These tiny moves stack. Stop waiting for a grand slam. Build singles. Let them compound. Simple, boring, and consistent wins. Law 15. Use leverage like a sharp tool, not a toy. Debt can speed wealth when cash flow covers payments with room to spare. A rental with strong tenants, or a business loan for proven demand, can multiply gains. Run worst-case numbers first. Borrow for assets that pay, never for vanity. Law 16. Learn the rules that lower taxes legally. Interest, depreciation, retirement accounts and business expenses can reduce the bill. Use them as the law allows, then reinvest the savings. The rich don't love taxes more than you, they simply study the map. Lower friction equals faster compounding. Law 17. One right swing can move you 10 years forward. A discounted property in a panic, a proven product you launch first, or joining a rocket ship team early can change everything. You can't predict the day, you can prepare. Keep a strong cash reserve, a ready skill, and a short checklist for action. Preparation creates luck for disciplined people. Law 18. Protect your goals from casual opinions. Share with mentors, not with critics at the dinner table. People project their limits onto you. Some are jealous, some are scared for you. None pay your bills. Work in silence. Show results loudly. Guard your vision until it can defend itself with numbers. Law 19. The 80-20 rule prints money. Most results come from a few actions. Identify the few clients, products and habits that drive most profit. Double down there, cut, automate or delegate the rest relentlessly. Stop being busy and start being effective. Focus turns scattered effort into a laser. Law 20. Remember what money cannot buy. Health, trust, love and time with people you admire are priceless. Chase wealth, but not at the cost of your soul. Protect sleep. Show up for family dinners. Money amplifies who you are. Build character while you build assets. Law 21. A bank account is a parking lot, not a farm. Keep cash for emergencies and short-term plans. Stop expecting savings accounts to make you rich. After your buffer is set, send money to assets with yield and growth. Parking keeps the car safe. Farms grow food. Law 22. Understand how money moves through banks. Deposits become loans. Loans become spending. This system rewards savers who become owners. Play offense by owning assets that cash flow, instead of financing people's impulses at 20% interest. When you know the game, you stop being the product. Law 23. When borrowing is cheaper than inflation, capital is on sale. Fixed low rates plus reliable cash flow can be powerful. Don't borrow for toys. Borrow for assets that pay monthly and appreciate slowly. Run the math conservatively. Cheap money plus productive assets turns patience into profit. Law 24. Lenders love boring, predictable cash flow. The stronger your finances, the cheaper your money gets. Become the safest bet you can. Pay on time, reduce debts, build reserves, and document income carefully. Then negotiate. Lower rates add years of speed to compounding. Law 25. Treat credit cards like fire. Useful for cooking, deadly for naps. Rewards are tiny. Interest is brutal. If you can't pay in full monthly, hide the card. Build your score with discipline, not with balances. Earn interest, never pay it, unless it buys assets that pay back more. Law 26. Don't take on big responsibilities before your foundation is set. A fancy car, oversized rent, or commitments you can't sustain will trap you at a job you hate. Build a cushion first, keep options open, then upgrade. Freedom early beats status early. Law 27. Cut habits that burn money and health. Smoking, gambling, endless takeout, and late fees look small, but compounding is working against you there. Calculate the lifetime cost of one habit carefully. Then imagine that amount invested for decades. Small disciplines today become million-dollar outcomes later. Break the cycle now. And Law 27 is hard because it requires changing behaviour, not just learning concepts. But Law 28 makes it easier by reframing what fun actually costs. Law 28. Fun does not require debt. The best memories often cost almost nothing. Basketball at the park, home-cooked dinners with friends, hikes, game nights, and side projects. Choose experiences over endless purchases. Your joy grows, your savings grow, and your options grow. Rich living is about meaning, not price tags. Law 29. Prefer simple businesses that customers buy again and again. Bread, razors, software subscriptions, utilities. Repeat demand is easier to predict. If you would personally buy it repeatedly, others likely will too. Complexity hides risk. Simplicity reveals durability. Predictability lets you sleep while profits work for you. Law 30. Strong brands tilt the field. When buyers feel connected to a name, they return without thinking. That loyalty is a moat. It lowers marketing costs and protects profits. Invest in companies people proudly recommend, or build a brand people trust. When every shelf is crowded, recognizable wins. Law 31. Seek streams, not just stickers. A stock price is a sticker. Dividends are streams. Getting paid while you wait changes everything. Reinvest those checks to buy more shares, which buy more checks. Cash flow is confidence. Paper gains can vanish. Deposits into your account are real, and they compound reliably over decades. Law 32. Patience beats panic. Great deals are rare. If nothing meets your rules, hold cash and wait. Don't force trades because you feel bored. When your thesis is clear and the price is right, act decisively and calmly. Most wealth comes from waiting, and a few brave, well-researched moments. Law 33. Fear creates discounts. Calm creates premiums. When headlines scream, emotions misprice assets. Keep a list of great businesses you want with target prices. When fear pushes them below your marks, buy in steps. You're not trying to catch bottoms, just fair value patiently. Your courage gets paid because you prepared while others panicked. So let's bring this together. You've just learned 33 laws that separate wealthy people from everyone else. Here's what this really means. You're not just learning about money, you're learning that wealth is built through decisions, not luck. Through systems, not shortcuts. Through patience, not panic. Picture yourself 5 years from now. You planted money trees. You kept your spending line fixed. You automated your investments. You built multiple income streams. That version of you has options. Freedom, security. Real wealth, not the appearance of wealth. Here's what to do right now. First, pick 3 laws from this video that hit hardest. Write them down. Second, implement one this week. Just one. Automate savings, cut one bad habit, or invest in one asset. Third, revisit this list monthly. Track which laws you're actually applying. Don't wait for perfect. Don't wait for more money. Don't wait for permission. The time is now. Your future self is counting on you. These 33 laws aren't theory, they're the map. The question is whether you'll follow it or keep wandering without direction. If you want to go deeper on how small actions compound into massive wealth, watch my video on the 12 laws of compounding. It breaks down the exact mechanics of how money multiplies over time, the math that makes these 33 laws work. Subscribe to this channel for more truth about building wealth. Drop a comment with which law hit you hardest. I read every single one. I'll see you in the next video.